Okay, team, what is up, guys? So, in today's video, we're going to be having a look at Terra Luna. This thing has been probably the coin of 2022, 2021. We're going to also have a look at a technical analysis aspect, but it's been consolidating. It's been increasing in a very, very nice and healthy way. The only thing that I want to talk about is well, not the only thing, but the thing that if you should invest in it or not is probably the market cap. Terra Luna has a very, very, very high market cap. Now, I see a lot of people saying this can still 100x on Twitter. I don't think that Terra Luna can really 100x at a $34 billion market cap. And it's not that I'm hating. I really like the project, and I think this is it's a very safe hold for the future, but the market cap is high. And for those of you guys who don't know how to calculate market cap, you're going to have to do the price times circulating supply, and that would essentially be the market cap. Now we are ranked number 8. We got 800,000 people on the watch list, which is very, very nice. We got almost 1 million people on the list, so this is a top 10 coin. Of course, you could learn about Terra Luna, what it is, but we're going to be diving in on Bitcoin today and Terra Luna technical analysis. But I do want to start off with Bitcoin because we know that we both know that Bitcoin is king, Bitcoin's the leader, and when Bitcoin goes up, altcoins goes up as well. So Bitcoin right now is currently up 2%, and we're seeing 85-90% of the market is in green. So that being said, we're going to start off with a weekly time frame. This is the trend right here. As you guys know, the trend is your friend. We got a nice few rejection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 rejections at the trend line on Bitcoin, okay? Very, very nice. Now the question is, are we going to come back down and reject from the EMA ribbon? We actually came back up. We retested the 55 exponential moving average on the weekly time frame. Let's not forget. Now the question is, are we going to get rejected by this region, or are we going to pass by it? That's going to be definitely something we have to see. We did peak above it earlier today at $43,000, and right now we're sitting right below it. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see. Another thing I do want to have a look at, guys, is the triangle that Bitcoin is currently in, actually. So the triangle is getting tighter and tighter, guys. This is a triangle for Bitcoin. The symmetrical triangle that we're seeing, we've just been consolidating. I mean, I'm still waiting for the real breakout. This was a nice little fake out that we saw, but we're just really consolidating sideways. Nothing too crazy to see over here. And we have to wait for the move. I mean, a lot of people are really confused. I myself, crypto is not perfect. I'm not perfect as a trader. I'm a little bit confused on where this is going to go. We saw fake out right here. If I bring this a little bit lower, we saw another fake out right there. So we're seeing a lot of fake outs left and right on Bitcoin, and it's going to be very, very interesting to see where this goes. I mean, this thing has just been consolidating. We're most likely going to see a breakout within the next month from now if we actually reach the peak of the triangle, which I don't think we will. Usually we make a breakout around right here, right before it. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see what happens here. Let's have a look on the shorter time frame, having a look at the 15-minute time frame real quick. So at the 15-minute time frame, we actually did get rejected right here at the triangle. We do have a support region right here, so we could actually come back all the way down to 41,000 before going back up and continuing to the upside. A lot of yelling going on outside. I'm at a hotel right now. Anyways, so it's going to be, yeah, so right here, this is also a nice little resistance that we have by the peak on the 15-minute time frame, but 15-minute time frames aren't so crazy accurate. So we're going to have to see where this goes in the near future or in the next hour or two for Bitcoin. As we know, guys, the trend is your friend. If Bitcoin goes up and if Bitcoin goes down, then altcoins are going to go down as well. And that's about it. Another thing that I do want to have a look at, guys, is can Bitcoin potentially be going to $50,000? Let's have a look. This is Bitcoin right here at 50K. It's not at 50K on the channel right here. So we are in a channel in a weekly, as you guys can see. We've been bouncing up and down, duck. Now the thing is, can we go and make a nice little reach for 49,000, even 50,000? Now we're not going to reach everything in 1 week because the weekly candle is closing in 3 days, and I doubt that we're going to reach it in 2 days. 2-3 days, but maybe next week or in 2 weeks, Bitcoin could potentially go to 50K. It's going to be very, very interesting to see what happens. But let's have a look at Terra Luna, guys. I mean, is this thing overbought? Is this thing oversold? What is going on? I mean, this is the RSI. We are seeing a massive, massive bearish divergence on Terra Luna right here. As you guys can see, we have an increase on the RSI and a massive, massive decrease on on the RSI. Sorry, an increase on the charts and a massive decrease on the RSI. So can we see a massive correction? I mean, we know that the trend is your friend until it bends, right? We got one hit, two hit, or two hits right here. Sorry, we made a nice little double bottom right here. If I have a look on the daily time frame, it'll be probably more clear. Right here. So this is the double bottom we made, or the W pattern that we made on Terra Luna. It's definitely going to be very interesting to see where this goes, but can we come back and correct all the way to maybe 69, 70, hit that trend line, maybe come back and retest this very strong support region again? Will Terra Luna be the coin of 2021 again? I mean, this thing has, at 2022, sorry, this thing has been exploding ever since the 31st of May 2021. We exploded, guys, 1,756%. And I'm not even going to go beyond on what it was in January at the beginning. So a year and a few months ago. This thing was trading at 89 cents, and we just took off for 11,000%, guys. So in the past year and a little bit, we saw Terra Luna explode 11,000% essentially. So that's that on Terra Luna. On the daily, on the weekly, we saw the daily. We could have a look and check the EMA ribbon. Good thing about this is that we are above the exponential moving average on Terra Luna. Now we know that every time we go above the EMA ribbon, we usually get supported right here. So we got we always bounce every time. So we broke above it, had a nice little bounce, and we can maybe make a move to essentially $120, which would approximately be from here 25%. So can Terra Luna explode its way out? Maybe make a double top at 115 for 25-30% gain. Very possible. It's going to be very interesting to see how this holds these EMA ribbons. And that's about it. Of course, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.